What's going on, pond people? It's Brad with Pondscapes of Charlotte. I'm out here with Blake and Vincente. And today we're gonna transform this space into a beautiful fountainscape. We're gonna be installing a small slate stacked urn right about here. And without further ado, let's get the time lapse going and let's get started.
Beautiful fountainscape we have. This is their living room, so they're going to have a beautiful view from the inside of it. Several years, we've got some plants coming in, really look established. Pike's Nursery is going to come out here, put some landscaping in. But yeah, we're excited. We're really happy with this. The homeowners came out, they're excited. Thanks for sticking with us through the whole video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and we will see you on the next build. One more in here.